Okay guys, so today I just want to show you how to compile and run a Java program on your command prompt. And these are the series of steps that you must take. First, you must have the Java JDK installed. That's number one. Then you must have javac and also Java, both of those files, in your path. Okay? So the way that you can check that is if you type in path here on the menu, hit enter, it'll be one of your environmental variables. So if you see here, it says path. You can go ahead and go to edit, and you can see it right there. So C, program file, Java. Obviously, this contains my path. If you don't know where your path is, it should be something similar here. If you don't know where your Java path is, it should be something similar to this. The JDK version number might be different. So you can go ahead and just copy this first part, open the file explorer, and then if you type it here, you should be see here. So mine's, as you can see, it's right here. And you go to your bin folder for whatever number it comes up. And then if you go down, you can actually check that you have both of those. So the first one is the javac, second one is the Java. So you have both of those here in your path. And then that's what you basically need to be able to run it. Now, if you didn't have that, you can just, once you find your path, the correct path to both of those, you can just copy it and then just add it, right, if it wasn't there. Or it might be down here. So I'll show you guys. If you go down here to path, you'll see that I have it here too. And I'll show you guys why that is. Basically, I have one for the JRE and one for the JDK. And that can cause problems, as I'll show you a little bit later. So you must have, so JDK installed, javac and Java must be in your path. And then, like I said, it should be located here, somewhere around this folder here, similar to that. Now, if you've changed your path, make sure you close your command prompt and restart it, because the changes to your path won't apply to your current command prompt. So that's the next. The next step is we're going to go ahead and try to actually do it, and then you guys will see if we have any issues here. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you go to the folder that contains your Java file. As you can see, I'm already there. Okay, so mine was in users, Willie, OneDrive documents, and if you hit dir, as you can see, it's right here. Okay, so all I have to do is I can use a relative path instead of an absolute path because I'm already in the folder. Okay. Okay. So the first step is Java compiler. So javac and then the MyClass.java. Okay. Boom. So no problems. If there was an issue, the compiler will give you an error here. As you can see, there's no issues. Okay. That I'll show you guys here. That'll create your class file here, and that's what you will execute. So the next step is Java, or yeah, instead of javac, you're going to do Java, and you're going to do MyClass.class, except you don't need to do .class. You just do Java MyClass. Just delete this first part. We're just going to call this file right here. Okay, now as you can see here, I came up with an error. Where is it at? The UnsupportedClassVersionError. So the reason why I have that error is because I installed the JRE first and I installed the JDK afterwards, and there's basically incompatible versions between the Java and the Java file. So the way that you fix that is go ahead and go to your path and only have one Java for one path to the Java binary folder. So if you look at here, I already have this here. Make sure it goes to the path of the JDK, not the JRE. So C, programs, Java, JDK. Okay, that's great. But if you go down here, you'll notice that I have another one here. And so that's the incompatible version. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. Okay. And that should work now. Okay, it didn't work. Oh, because remember what I said, that you need to close your command prompt. So you gotta close the command prompt because we changed that. So So I guess I gotta go back to the path, OneDrive, Documents, and then Java. I already made the file, so let me pull it up so you guys can see that. Java MyClass, right? Because we've already done the javac MyClass.java. So we just do Java MyClass for the file that we've created here. We're going to call this file. And if we hit enter, why isn't it working? You just froze for some reason. Let's see. Let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and just delete it because I don't want any issues with the whole, because I had the incompatible with javac and Java, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete the old one that I had. Okay, I'm going to recompile it. Okay, so Java MyClass.java, and then Java MyClass. There you go. So that's pretty much it. I wanted to show you guys those errors so you can go ahead and, if you have an issue, go ahead and work through them. Let me just make sure. Yeah, so like I said, this is where my default JRE was, and so I needed to remove it. If you have issues, if you don't have issues, then I guess you don't have to.